Lovely home. A great neighborhood walk to Holmes Elementary School. Canyon across the street is great for walking trails. Close to parks, softball field, and major transportation. This home is a good fit for 203K rehab. Fixer. Needs new carpet, some paint, landscaping, and windows. Must SEE.